What is the best classroom pet? By Miss Wolf. There are different animals that can be a pet, but only a few would be acceptable in the classroom. Pets in the classroom could be a fish, frog, guinea pig, snake, and bunny. I think the best classroom pet would be a fish. I will tell you why I think a fish is the best classroom pet. First, I think a fish would make a great classroom pet because they are quiet. They do not make any noise and will not distract learning. My second reason why a fish would make a great pet is because they are easy to feed. A fish can be fed twice a day, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. They won't be hungry overnight when we are not in school. My final reason why a fish would make a great classroom pet is it shows how to be responsible. The fish will allow us to take care of it and clean its tank. We can learn about the habitat of the fish and its behaviors. These are the reasons why I think a fish would make a great classroom pet.